Hello, my name's Paul Bevan from Siemens Digital Industry Software, and I'd like to give you a tip on how you can easily extract the internal volume from a component. This internal volume can then be used downstream for analysis purposes, or in fact, it could be just the fact that you want to measure the internal volume. Now in the graphics window you can see I have a transmission assembly, and part of that transmission assembly is this valve box, which I'm going to isolate. Now you can see all of the internal structures that go to make up the valve box, and it's this area that I want to extract. So how do I go about doing that? Well, I'm going to use the delete face command from synchronous modeling, and I'm going to use one of the intelligent selection methods to select the geometry that eventually I want to isolate. So I'll select on one of the internal faces. Notice that the intelligent selection has picked up a number of faces that meet that criteria. It's also prompted me to say that there are other features there which are very similar. Do you want to select those as well? So using what we call selection prediction. So I'll say yes, I do. And by doing that, it selects all of the other geometry that it thinks I might want to remove. I can continue to remove other areas of the model. Now you might think, why am I removing this? Well, it'll become apparent in a second when I give you my tip. So I'll pick on that face. Again, there's another predicted item. And I think that's about it. Yeah, all the other holes are just through holes, nothing to do with the internal structure of the part. So, what's my tip? Well, my tip is to use all but selected. Now what all but selected does, it deselects everything that I have chosen and picks everything else. So by doing that, it's deleted, or is going to delete, all of the external faces. And there we have it. So, a quick method of extracting the internal structure of a model by using delete face and then all but selected.
I'd like to thank you for your time and attention.